Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math. And last but not least, the mindset series. There are some other binary option turbo trading concepts which are important. So get this ebook. At the top of every page you'll find a link to the corresponding to the related video to understand the whole concept of price action. Okay, this was the ebook stuff. Let's see if I can show you now some trades based off those things which I have explained in this ebook. So we have here something like what is looking like a downtrend. Yes, we have here something what is looking like a downtrend. The EMAs are looking like an uptrend, this formation, and that's the reason why we got here some kind of consolidation area, and this is a little bit risky here now. So let me see if I can draw another trend line to show this. It looks like a wedge. Yes, not like a wedge, like a pennant, something like a pennant. Yes, a down looking pennant. So this is the area here where price will move. And so let's see if I can do some trades now based off those things that I understand the direction. It's looking like it would be heading down. And I have to wait for this candlestick, looking for this candlestick, what this candlestick will do here with the 100 EMA. This one here is a 100 EMA. So let's see what will go. It looks like we are heading down, and then it will be narrowing. Yeah, it's going down really hard. So I'm not able to do a put maybe on the next candle because you see how it's moving. It's too fast moving down. I have to understand first what is going on. If I get a rejection, I will do a put because the overall trend is down. Okay, I want to put because the overall trend is down. Now I got also the rejection. Yes, this candle is strong, bearish, and that is showing me that we're going to probably going down. Yes, and that's the reason why I entered into this trade. And so let's see what will happen. We have still space here to this area, and that is the reason because I think that this will be in the money. So let's see, it's looking a little bit close. Yes, it could be a close one. I will zoom a little bit into this, yes, to look it better. So you see, it will be a close one, and now the market is doing like always panic, but I'm pretty much sure that this will be in the money because, like I told you, I have a reason. I had a reason for doing this put. Yes, it was a downtrend. This was a area where the price will move. Yes, and this candlestick was strong, and we got here below this. But now I'm not sure anymore what is happening because this looks like it could be formed here some kind of double bottom, and so I have to wait for the next candle to understand what is going on because we are also really close to this level now, and that means that we could heading down because the 200 EMA is going flat too, and that's the reason I have a little bit to be carefully because it could be. Yes, it could be that we are heading down and this 200 EMA will pull price in this direction. So, okay, this looks like, again, like a spinning top. Yes, I would do a put on the, if I get a higher entry point, if I get a high entry point at this level here, yes, I will do a put. So I prepare to do a put. If I get a higher entry point, I will do a put. Okay, it was a, now we got here a wick. Yes, it was a wick and we got a rejection here without seeing something. So I need a higher entry point. It was not offered to me, so I will not do any trade. I waited to get a higher entry point because it was a little bit risky. Yes, you know, spinning tops, you have to trade spinning tops. You wait till one edge of the spinning top, and then you trade in the other direction. And if there is not the other edge, yes, it could be getting back, and you see it's going back. And it was a little bit too risky for me to enter into such a trade, and so I didn't trade it. So now we touch the Bollinger Band. That is not so nice, but if I get a rejection from any kind of those area here, yes, I will do a put, because this candlestick is looking like a red, like a bearish hammer, which is a sign for me that it is a continuation, but I need a higher entry point again. It's really important for me to get a higher entry point. So, okay, I will put now, because the time is passing by, and I'm pretty much sure that we are heading down, because this candlestick here is telling me that we are heading down. Yes, it was not offering me a higher entry point, but because I saw this kind of movement here, and we are close to this level, and we have here not a weak candle, and this hammer, which is the continuation sign. I have explained this in the ebook. I have done this put, and you see this put will working out. So let's see, and now we are close to the 200 EMA. Yes, now we are close to the 200 EMA, and here I would do a call, because that looks like a fake breakout, but I will wait, because this could looks like it would be some kind of doji, ending like a doji. You see, it's not moving really, it's not crossing the 200, it's above the 200, it's creating some kind of wicks, and this is the reason why I not enter into any trade, because it looks like a doji. Now it's moving up, but this is some kind of was too risky for me to enter a trade there. So you have to know when to avoid. You see it's coming down again. Maybe it will be some kind of doji, because the movement. Okay, after this candle, I will do a call. Yes, I'm pretty much sure that we are heading back into this trend channel of this pennant. Okay, I'm going to do a call now, because okay, the entry point was late, but I'm pretty much sure that we are heading up further. Yes, because of this reversal here. Because if we are not going to cross the 200, and I have explained this often enough, that at the 200 EMA you can expect mostly a reversal which holds more than one candle, mostly one or two candles. Yes, and that's the reason why I have done here a call, because I'm pretty much sure that this will hold more than only one candle, and you see two candles, and that's the reason why I did a call. So I have shown you again a few trades based off those things which I have explained in the ebook. You see how I use the chart patterns, yes, to determine the direction of price, and because I know the direction of the price, yes, this was a really close one. I would do another call now. Because I know the direction of the price, I'm able to understand the price and doing my trades with no problem. Yes, you see, this was an inverted bullish hammer. I have shown you this a lot of times in my trade. I have explained it so often, and all my trades are based off those things which I have explained in the ebook. So if you study the ebook and you watch the ebook, the videos related to the pages of the ebook, yes, you get the knowledge to handle this market, every kind of market. You know when to trade. You know what candlestick pattern means in relation to the chart patterns and other candlestick pattern, yes, because you understand price action. So I would say this was enough. I have shown you a few trades based off those things which I have explained in this ebook. I would say practice more. Watch. If you have questions, ask me those questions. I'm really happy to answer you those questions, to give you some more knowledge, and so I would say that would be enough. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe, and if you have something to say, let me there a comment. I would say stay safe and bye bye.